write 3034 base 5 in expanded notation and then convert it to base 10. Now, to write a number in expanded notation, we need to multiply the digit for each place value by the appropriate power of the base and separate the terms with plus signs. So in base 5, the place values for the first 4 places are 5 to the third power, 5 to the second power, 5 to the first power, 5 to the 0 power, which is the same thing as equal to 1. Now, we're going to write the following in terms of individual place values to put it in expanded notation. So the first thing is, we can see that the first number is 3 times 5 to the third power. So here it's in the fourth place, there's 5 to the third, so 3 to the 5 third power. Okay, then we have 0, and that 0 is in the third place here, which is 5 to the second power, so that's plus 0 times 5 to the second power. And then the 3 is in 5 to the first power, so it's going to be plus 3 times 5 to the first power. And then the 4 is going to be 1, which is going to be 4 times 1. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to then write this in expanded notation. So we have 3 times 5 to the third power plus 0 times 5 to the second power plus 3 times 5 to the first power plus 4. So to convert this number to base 10, we need to evaluate. So we got to find out what is 5 to the third power, 5 to the second power, 5 to the first power. So we're going to begin by evaluating the exponents. So we know that this is 3 times 5 to the third power, so this becomes 3 times 125 plus 0 times 25 plus 3 times 5 plus 4. Well, we're going to simplify each term. Well, 3 times 125 is 375. 0 times 25 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15. And then there's 4. So now we need to add those numbers. So add the products. 375 plus 0 plus 15 plus 4 gives us 394. Therefore, 3034 base 5 is equal to 394 in base 10.